Hello. Welcome back to Yoruba Doom. I'm happy to see you again. I'm excited. And so today we are going to be discussing about pronoun. Pronoun. Because I just thought about it like, how do you start a conversation without names or pronouns? So names are nouns, and how do you start a conversation? I want to assume that you know names of any or in each individual you want to like be talking to. But anyway, pronouns are very, very important because pronouns, as it's said in English, is used in place of a noun. So you cannot be mentioning someone's name in the middle of all discussions. It's not possible, right? It's not possible. So now, just like, how do we or how do you converse with somebody with a pronoun? So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is used instead of a noun, right? Just as simple as that. Simple as ABC. So now in Yoruba, what are the pronouns? I'm going to just like stay with just three categories of pronoun, which is to address somebody as a singular person and then plural form, in singular and in plural. By the way, you are going to be using the plural form to be in addressing an elderly person. So let's assume that you want to talk with an elderly person, somebody that is older than you. You are going to stick with the plural form. But I don't let me complicate things the way I usually do. So because let me stick to my promise. I said this channel is going to be like simple in teaching people basics, your basic Yoruba language step by step and in a fun way. So I'm going to be discussing pronoun, as I said before, pronoun. So now, in the meaning of pronoun in Yoruba is ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, word used in place of a noun. Words used in place of a noun. Ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ is noun. Arọ́pò in place. Orúkọ noun. Ọ̀rọ̀ word. Ọ̀rọ̀ word. Arọ́pò used in place of a noun. Orúkọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, that is the meaning of pronoun. So we are going to be discussing ìwọ. Ìwọ as a singular form of referring to somebody that is one in singularity, two as a contemporary. One, you will use ìwọ, I-W-O. You write it like that, but in Yoruba form you write it as I, we, or. If you look at my mouth, pronunciation has to do with you need to like look at the mouth and you listen with your ears. E, like say E, wo, ìwọ, that is you. Ìwọ means you. You will use that for one, for a singular person. Two, as a contemporary or somebody that is older than you. So you are referring to somebody, you. Ìwọ. The second one is ẹ̀yin. Ẹ̀yin, I told you before, we've dealt with singular. Now this one is used for one, for more than one person, meaning that for two or more people. Two, for someone that is much older than you. So you use it as a respective pronoun. I don't know if there's anything like that in English, but I don't think so. Anyway, in Yoruba, let me just say it that way. You will use that as, let me say, a respective pronouns. So you use it as ni, means you, there are more than one, or you as an elderly, a sign of respect. So ni. Then the next one is àwọn. A, a, we, àwọn. àwọn, àwọn, dòre. Àwọn is also a plural pronoun. It means them, or they, or them. So again, ìwọ, you, ẹ̀yin, you, but in plural, then àwọn, them. Now let's use this these three pronouns in a sentence. If let's say you're talking to somebody and you say, who did this? Somebody asks you a question, who did this? Or who want to do this? If you want to answer, you can say you, ìwọ. Or you want to use it, the other one, as the rest, you are referring to somebody that is much older than you, so you use the respective pronoun as ẹ̀yin. You are referring to, yes, you, but as a sign of respect, or for an adult, or more than one person. Then if you want to refer to them, you say àwọn. Who put this there? Àwọn, them, or he or she that is older than you. So we have our pronoun today is ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, pronoun. Then I give you 3 examples: ìwọ, ẹ̀yin, and àwọn. Ìwọ, ẹ̀yin, àwọn. Because there is no way we can make a sentence without noun or pronoun or verb. So don't think I'm just like dragging this. I just think that the recipe will not be complete if there's no noun or pronoun. There will be no sentence. So how do you say ìwọ, you, àwọn, them, then ẹ̀yin, also you, but in respect. So I will make this video. I don't think there's anything I want to add to this pronoun of the thing. So let's just hang it in there today. I will see you in the next episode, whereby we still talk about more greetings. Then I'm done. By then I'll be done with greetings, So if you want to know the rudiment of reading and writing, as I said before, you have to go to the website. I will leave the link below, or let's say in the future, because the website is not yet ready. So by then you'll be able to like learn how to read, write, and in Yoruba language in details, okay? In details. And then, but for the benefit of YouTube video and all that, I don't think I want to bore you. So I don't let us like over spice it, okay? Or else you'll not be able to eat it. So ẹ̀yin tèmi, my people, don't forget to subscribe and come again and try to give us advice, what you think I'm doing wrong or what I can do better, or just to serve you better. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode. Till then, I will say ó dàbọ̀. Bye.